One crate. Beautiful. Peppers everywhere. Look straight down the line. Peppers. Peppers. Yes, viewers. Transportation up. See it there? Yeah.
Jamaican farmers hot.
Jamaican farmers.
Ready, we ready, and we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. It's all about harvesting sweet pepper, bell pepper this morning again. One more. Stick around. There's a lot more to show you, alright?
Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
Have some crate I just wash out here, put them to dry. Yeah, you have to clean the crate then before add the pepper inside. Alright. So yes, my viewers. Up there upon the greenhouse farm. Yeah. Harvesting some pepper. Yeah, this is our next crate here. Almost ready. Yeah man, as you can see, peppers everywhere. Look straight down the line. Pepper, 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 pepper. See that? Look how all it's steady. That's you can see it more clearly. My one hand is shaking. Alright? Pepper. Peppers. Peppers. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. Yeah. Yeah. One more. This is the yellow line. Alright? It's all about green, yeah, red. Green, red, and yellow. Yeah? It's all about harvesting. Stick around. Back at it once more. Yeah. For real. Campbell, what one?
I'll be there hard at work, you know.
How you mean, man? So you feel now?
Feel really good.
You feel, how you mean, man?
Yeah, man.
So you go, man. People for repeat, man.
Best part of the job, this.
How you mean, after hard days of work?
Yes, well, yeah.
Yeah.
The work I reap, so.
Yes, man. As you can see, my viewers, the pepper plant, the plant almost reached the ceiling. Yeah? That is about 6 feet from ground. Yeah. Jano. Hold the camera steady. Don't want to get the video very shaky. And as you can see, my viewers, lots of pepper. Yeah? Lots of pepper, my viewers. Yeah. This line we have on too much ripe one. Look better now.
Yeah, man. Just pick them out.
Yes, my viewers. Peppers. 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 Peppers, my viewers. All angles. Peppers. It's all about the clipping of peppers. Yeah, my viewers. It's all about the clipping of peppers. Yeah, inside the greenhouse here. Whoa. This row is very near. Yeah, my viewers. You can hear the clipping. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, man. Okay.
You can hear the clipping of peppers. I dry out. Oh, they are the whole. You know, that's why it could be. That's why the tree look crazy. Yeah. Yeah, my viewers. Most of the time, the drip line is not working properly. Have to go through one, you know.
Clear the line.
Yeah, get a little shake. Yeah, but Campbell is going to buy something to put inside the water to clear the chlorine from the drip hose. Alright, most of the hole blacked up. Alright, my viewers. Yeah. It's all about the bell pepper reaping, harvesting, you know? Clipping peppers. Stick around, my viewers. Stick around. Stick around. You will see a lot more. Yeah, my viewers. That is it.
Okay, you can just take up some of that. Put on that.
Oh, yeah.
And full of one of pulley.
Yeah. Oh, I'm to the one there. Are you sure about it?
Yeah, me put it there, so.
Oh.
Yeah, want something on it.
Yeah, my viewers. Make this crate look more lovely, you know? That's we can put it outside. Yeah. Yes, my viewers. It's all about pepper. Yeah, man. Beautiful pepper, you know? Yeah. Make it look more healthy up the line. Yeah. Yeah, my viewers. That's it. It's all about peppers. This is the beauty of pepper. Bell peppers. My viewers. The beauty of bell peppers. The green, the red, and the yellow. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, my viewers. Peppers, peppers, peppers. 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 Very much yellow. Peppers. Yeah. Yeah, man. Try next side with the yellow pepper. Yeah. See the difference. Yes, my viewers, look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. Wonderful, my viewers. It's all about peppers. It's all about peppers. Yeah. This is one more line of peppers. My viewers. Yeah. We are cutting from one house now. Only one house we are cutting 200-pound peppers from. Alright. We don't have to touch all these rows here. We only cutting from one house up the top there. As you can see, we have pepper all around. Yeah. Even the latest one that plant lately, we have pepper. These are the one that plant last couple months after we plant the first one. Alright, and as you can see, there's a lot of pepper here. Yeah. As you can see how small them is. Yeah, pepper is there. Yeah. It's all about inside the greenhouse, my viewers and subscribers, and my hand subscribers. Alright. You know, once there is subscribers, they're gonna have a lot of unsubscribers. But guys, some of you guys I know can't subscribe, but some of you can. So please do so, subscribe, so you can get the next video that I upload. Alright, look on this pepper here. Very huge. Yeah, very huge. As you can see, look on this tree here, small as this tree is. See it? Small as this tree is. There is one pepper on it. Alright? So yes, my viewers. Yes, my viewers, look inside here. Look up and in between all these plants. Peppers all around. Alright? Look on this line here. I'm gonna show you a line here. Look on this line. Look on this line. Peppers. Peppers. Yeah? Yeah, man. These kind of peppers, you only see them on Jamaican Farmers Hut, alright? Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel to see what's coming next. Okay, my viewers? Look on this pepper here. Very huge pepper. Yeah? Very huge pepper. As you can see. Peppers. Yeah? Stick around to see what's coming next. This is the next bungle of pepper here. Yeah? Peppers everywhere. Peppers. Look down the line. Look down the line, my viewers. Whoa. Straight ahead. Peppers. Yeah? Stick around. It's time to put the next full crate outside. Alright? Okay. Need some more into this crate here before I put it outside. Stick around. Watch the work of the drip hose. This is how the drip hose work. Yeah? This is how the drip hose work. As you can see, every plant have a hole. Yeah? So every plant have their own drip. As you can see. Come on, zoom. Yeah? Every plant have their own drip hose. That is the work that the drip hose does. Alright? To all the plants. Yeah. After hard days of work, weeks of work, months of work, time for harvesting, no? Yeah? Yeah, man. Yeah, my viewers. You hear the clipping? The clipping of bell peppers. Yeah? Whoa. Look like ripe mango. Yeah? Yes, my viewers. Back out here. Yes, I. Yes, I. Peppers.
Yes, man.
It's on the block.
Let's get about change full of buttons in our farm.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, you hear that, my viewers? 300 or more out of this one house here. Alright. Get these leaves out. Yeah. We have 3 crates to go. We have 3 crates to go. And this is the 4th line. Inside this house here we have 5 lines of pepper here. And this is the 4th one. We're on the fourth one right now. Almost gone 4 crates. Yeah. So yes, my viewers, the cutting of peppers. Yeah. The cutting of peppers. As you can see. You hear the clipping? That's mean pepper. Peppers, my beautiful people. Look on this pepper here. This pepper is between these limbs here, the branch of the plant. Yeah. Look on this one here. This one also. Yeah. The clipping of peppers.
Make the 200, you know.
Hmm?
I say, make it.
Yeah, man. Yeah. You just want to be over. You don't want to be exact.
Yeah.
Yes, my viewers. One of the greenhouse give 200 pounds of peppers. Yeah.
At the first official pick.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, those are very ripe.
Wait, I'm not going to do.
Come on, come on.
Wait.
Pepper them drunk, you man.
I wonder if.
Yeah. Yeah, my viewers. Top one. Alright, soft.
Yeah. What is this?
Very big. Yes, my viewers. Just feel the soft on them. I wonder who cut my callaloo, sir. I know somebody want to put on a floor feet a callaloo root, yeah. Them callaloo you have to eat, you know. Yeah, man. Yes, my viewers. Callaloo. Yeah. On the plantation, yeah, man. Man have to plant. Yes, my viewers, we need to plant, you know. If we don't plant, we don't have things to eat. Yeah. Have to plant, my viewers. See? You can't tell anyone here at on Jamaican Farmers Hut. We have to plant, alright? Yeah, my viewers, look on this one here. Yeah, also fastening between the branches, alright? Yeah, very strong too, you know. My God. Yeah. That's a touch of the yellow bell peppers with the red. Beautiful, don't it? Yes, man. Alright. Looking beautiful. Alright, we get the 6th crate up and running. Alright? My viewers. Alright, we're gonna take this outside now. Okay. Yeah. Four, six. Yes, my viewers. Looking beautiful. Looking beautiful. Looking beautiful. Looking beautiful. Hello, viewers. Yes, my viewers. Pepper full of weight, my viewers. Full of weight, yeah? Alright. Go for the next creator now. So we do it, you know. Jamaican farmers hut. Yeah? That's all the thing there. Whole heap of vegetable, alright? For real, man. So right about now we have 4 more crates. So we have 2 triple leaf. Alright, my viewers. Stick around. Yes, my viewers, as you can see, transportation up and running. See there? Ready to go. Alright, my viewers. So stick around because there's a lot more harvesting to come. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Ever Slick. Watch this video here if you need to watch the next one, or you watch this one over here. Alright, peace. I'm out.